Stop scrolling. If your Android phone shows this screen in the Play Store, don't ignore it. It might look harmless, but it could affect your phone's security, performance, and app stability. First, open your Android phone, the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture, then go to Manage Apps and Device. If you see updates available with several apps pending, it means those apps are running older versions. Older apps can contain bugs, security vulnerabilities, and compatibility issues. That's why some apps crash unexpectedly, drain more battery, or don't work properly. Simply tap Update All to install the latest fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make your phone safer and run much smoother. So check your Play Store right now and make sure your apps are fully updated. Follow for more Android tips and hidden features.